Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start with essentials, confirm WordPress version and PHP meet theme requirements, and create a full backup to recover if something breaks. Next, download the Envato Themes zip and copy your purchase code. This lets you access updates. Once done, you upload via appearance right arrow themes right arrow, add new right arrow upload theme zip, and activate it. You do this first because activation exposes demo import and plugin prompts. That saves repetitive steps later and prevents compatibility surprises. After activation, install the bundled or recommended plugins. These power page builders, sliders, and demo content. Missing plugins cause broken layouts. Then open the theme demo importer and select a demo that matches your site goal. Import only the content you need to avoid bloat. Make configuration changes to permalinks, media sizes, and menu locations before editing pages. This ensures links and responsive images render correctly. If you customize header or templates, save a child theme to preserve updates. You finish by customizing theme options, colors, and typography in the theme panel, then clear caches and regenerate thumbnails so images display properly. Next, test the site on desktop and mobile, run a speed audit, and confirm accessibility basics. These checks catch layout and performance issues. If something goes wrong, enable WP Debug to capture errors, deactivate plugins to identify conflicts, and revert to your backup if needed. One key tip: plugin conflicts are the most common culprit. Rule them out first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.